In this video, we'll be telling about how to create your own VFX video using your smartphone itself. For this, you need to install one application. App name is FX Master. App link is given in the description. You can download it from there. After installing this application, open this application. When you're opening this application for the first time, you can see an interface like this. Here you can see so many effects. If you are clicking on that, you can see demo video. From here, select the video which you like. For example, I am selecting this video. After selecting that video, what you need to do is, here you can see record button. Click on this record button. When you are clicking on that record button, you will reach your camera. After that, what you need to do is adjust your camera and take video. For example, I am taking one video. When you are clicking on that, video recording will be started. Here you can see that video. Now video recording is completed. Here you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. When you are using this application for the first time, you should give some permissions. Click allow. If you want to share this video, you can share this video directly from here. Or if you want to download it to your phone gallery, click on this button and it will be saved to your phone gallery. Now if you are going to your phone gallery, you can see that video here. Here you can see that video. And one thing is that there is no watermark in this video, so you can use this video wherever you want. And in this application there are so many effects. This is another famous effect that you may have seen. To record this type of video, what you need to do is click on this record button. When you are clicking on that, your camera application will be opened. But the thing is that in this video, you need to be in that video. What you need to do is, you should do exactly same things that is shown in this video. First click on this record button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see that video and you should act like this only. You should be in front of camera. The person behind camera can tell you what to do. Anyway, so many effects are there in this application. Many of them are free effects but some are paid. If you want, you can take membership or you can use free version. But in free version, there will be so many ads. Anyways, with the help of this application, you can create your own VFX videos in your smartphone itself. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.